I'm adding 2 teaspoons of homemade sofrito. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of green peppers, a 1/4 cup of red peppers, a 1/4 cup of diced onions, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna put my sazon completa in here. Just about maybe a teaspoon, not too much seasoning, and a 1/2 pack of sazon. I'm adding ground turkey. You can use ground beef or ground chicken if you want, doesn't matter. So I'm going to add a 1/2 pack of chicken broth to give it a little more flavor, and I'm going to add some olives, chopped olives. Okay, so this is done. I'm going to let this cool off for a little bit, and then I'm going to put it in the empanada shells. Okay, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need empanada shells. You can find this in the frozen section. You're also going to need 1 egg so that you can seal the edges. This is the finished picadillo. You can add potatoes or raisins or whatever you want to add to it. Tonight I'm just not adding anything to it. I'm just leaving it the way it is. I'm going to scoop a little bit of, about a teaspoon. And if you want to add more, you can add more. I might add a little bit more. Okay, so this is about a teaspoon and a half. So I'm just going to seal the edges. I'm only going to do one side. And I'm just going to pull all the way over till I get to the tip. When it's like this, just squeeze, squeeze, and pinch the edges like that. Okay, now you can seal them up. You need this paper. This paper really helps. So now you're going to just crimp with the fork like this. I'm going to do the other side like this, and till you finish to the edge. That's it. And this is how you do empanada shells. Alright. You can also bake these if you prefer, but tonight I'm just going to fry mine. You can also do this with guava and cream cheese. So I'm going to put a little bit of cream cheese. So just put a little cream cheese and let it be room temperature because it's easier to work with. And then you can just put a couple of pieces or little pieces of guava. And this is the guava that I made, so this is homemade guava. And you do the same thing that you did when you were doing the meat. You just move this to the side. brush the edges like you did when you did the meat. You squeeze the edges like this. And then you crimp it with the fork. I'm going to use another fork because I use this fork for the meat. Okay, so now I'm going to crimp the edges. Just press it down. And this is how the bakeries get the pretty little marks like this, because they just use a fork and just press the edges down like that. And see, that's it. So you're just gonna fry it for about a minute on each side. You don't really have to cook it longer than that because the meat inside is already done. So these are my empanadas. I just finished making them. I made two 10 meat empanadas, and I made two guava and cream cheese empanadas. So these are the guava and cream cheese, and that's the empanada with the meat in it. So I just sliced it so you can see what it looks like inside. Well guys, it's been such a pleasure teaching you how to make empanadas. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Good night. God bless.